Hello students! I will be showing you how to make your GoogleSlide Gallery so that you can arrange all of the artwork that you've done in my class to make a summative virtual exhibition for this quarter. First, you will open up your camera reel and you need to check that you have all the pictures of your artwork available. Then you will open up Google, search up the Remove BG website. This removes backgrounds, making them transparent. Click Upload Image, click on Photo Library, click on Recents, and find your avatar. Click Done. Wait for it to load. Right now it's deleting any of the background pixels of your image. Click Download. Then you will drag it over to open up in Safari. Click Download again. Click the down arrow button at the top. Click on your project and hit Copy. Then go back to the home screen. This is a lot of steps to make your background transparent, but it will make your gallery look better. From here, you will begin editing your actual GoogleSlide Gallery. You will click on your Google Drive, open up the document that you had originally downloaded from Schoology, and you're going to see that there are 5 different gallery templates you can choose from. Once you make your choice, you will have to click on the slide menu bar and delete the other galleries that you do not want. If you ever get lost while you're making your project, the steps of how to make your GoogleSlide Gallery are located inside this document. You will delete the avatar image placer, and then you will hit paste to actually import your own image that you had originally saved with no background. Move things around to however you want. Then in the pre-made comment box, delete the red text and change that to have your name with black text. Now you want to click on all of the other image placeholders that are gray. Delete the text at the top that says Gallery Template. These are no longer needed because they were simply placeholders to help you picture the space. To import your artwork images into the gallery, click on the plus sign up in the corner, click Image, click from Photos, find your image and click Done, and then from the top left corner of the image, you can drag it to make it a specific size. Then using the border tools, you can change the size of the border, and then you can even change what kind of border it is, and then you'll have to fix the color. I personally like black because it seems more professional. Once you have that image done, then it's a lot of repeating to import all the other images. Now, if you get an image that you need to crop, you'll have to use the crop tool, and then you just drag the sides around your image to make it cropped to the size that you want. Again, you'll make it smaller, you'll move it around, and you'll add the border. A lot of repeating for these steps. Now, as you're arranging your pictures into the gallery, if you don't like exactly how it looks, you can use the Format Image tool to change the contrast or brightness, or you can even take it back into the Autodesk Sketchbook app and adjust it in there before importing it into the gallery. So we're going to close out of the Google Slides, and we're actually going to head back over into our web browser, Google Chrome, back into the Remove BG website, so that we can remove the background of our animal teacup image. Remember all those steps again that you have to go through to try and remove that background. I know it seems pretty tedious. Then once you get back into your Google Slide, you'll just paste it, make it smaller, move it around again until it is placed on top of the pedestal. Notice there are description pages. On each of the description pages, you will need to delete the image placeholder and the description slide text at the top. Once that is completed, you'll import your images again. You can crop them like you did before, adjusting the borders on all of them. Or you can even take an easier route, and you can go back to your main gallery page, copy it, and paste it, and then you just got to make them bigger. Now for the Elements and Principles project, it might make more sense to do 2 images of each set to fit it in space better. Now the only thing is, whenever you go to import your animal teacup sculpture, you'll need to make sure that that one has the actual background in it, so you'll have to re-import that image. Now beside each image, there is text for you to fill in and change that's labeled in red. This would include a title to your piece, the media, the size, an artist statement, and what I learned. Make sure to read the red text before deleting it so that you can correctly answer each category of the description of your projects. Now, the last major thing to do on your Google Slide is to have things linked properly. Your About Me project should be correctly linked to Slide 2, your About Me project. Slide 3 should be the elements and principles. Slide 4 is your portrait project, and Slide 5 is your animal cup. Your avatar would be connected to Slide 1, while the background and the room links on the bottom I already have done for you. Make sure you're selecting the appropriate slide number to match with your actual project. Now you should also be linking the images on your description pages back to Slide 1 so that viewers to the gallery can go back and forth between your description slide and the main gallery for each student. Once everything's linked, the last thing to really do is just delete the direction page, and you will submit this finished Google Slide to our Schoology assignment. If you need help, just let me know.